Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name's Stephen Aitchison, and today we're going to be going over 5 projects or 5 gaming projects that could explode in the next 6 weeks. And first of all, gaming. I've spoken about this before, why gaming is really kind of lend itself well to the kind of blockchain industry, and I think it's going to do more for cryptocurrency than anything else in the history of kind of blockchain. And I think it's going to bring more people to crypto and to adopt cryptocurrency than anything else out there just now. This is why I'm so big on gaming just now as well. The trouble with gaming just now is there's so many projects out there at the moment just now, and it's really difficult to keep up with them, and everybody's kind of FOMOing into them. So what I've done, or what I've been doing, is looking at projects that they're already out. They've been established, they've got kind of socials behind them, they've got the numbers behind them, and they're bringing out the game soon as well. And this is why I'm focusing on these types of projects. I like to get on private sales as well. And with myself and the 3 partners, we've formed a kind of venture capital firm called CYT Blockchain Ventures, and we're investing in gaming projects at the very beginning as well. So these are going to be kind of next level kind of gaming projects, because what we've got out just now, we've got some brilliant ones. Axie Infinity, for example, really simple kind of gameplay for it as well, but really addictive gameplay, which is going to be one of the things that's going to drive people to play the game as well. But there's going to be kind of triple A games coming out soon on the blockchain as well. We're seeing that kind of already with the likes of Illuvium, with the likes of kind of Star Atlas, and with the likes of Meta Wars as well. And the graphics on them look fantastic. So can't wait to see these games coming out next year or earlier as well. So it's going to be stepping up all the time. We're at the very early stages of what gaming is just now. And if we look at the gaming industry as a whole, so we can see the market cap of the gaming industry as a whole is currently on Coinmarketcap, according to them, is $53 billion just now. It's much more than that, because Coinmarketcap have not listed they've not tagged a lot of projects as gaming. So it's going to be much more than that as well. And I think we're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar, not at the moment, but in the future, we're talking about a multi-trillion-dollar industry from this. We're currently in the gaming industry and in crypto as a whole as well. What we're doing is we're creating literally millions of jobs. And what gaming has done has provided a whole new economy to lots of different countries around the world with the play to earn. So you can actually earn up to, say, $10 a day. Now, to you and I, $10 a day, you just go, I'm not even going to waste my time at $10 a day. But to some other countries around the world, that is like a month's wage to them, $10 a day. It's absolutely massive. So we're literally creating new economies for lots of different countries around the world. And that's going to bring adoption, mass adoption to cryptocurrency as well. This is why it's going to be so big. So when I'm talking about gaming, as I said, I'm talking about metaverse, I'm talking about NFT gaming, I'm talking about play to earn and all that. I'm lumped into one. And what I've done is I'm compiling a list of every single game out there that's been listed on CoinMarketCap. And I'll put a link down below, because, as I said, the problem with gaming just now is a lot of these projects are not tagged as gaming or play to earn or metaverse. So I'm going to put a big list. I've got about 350 lists just now. Put the link down below for you if you want to follow that watch list as well on CoinMarketCap, and you'll be able to see the projects that I'm adding. And the beautiful thing about CoinMarketCap is that they actually list some projects before they go live on PancakeSwap or on Uniswap, or when they go live on the exchanges or whatever. And I've got a lot of these projects on that watch list as well, so you'll be able to do some research beforehand. So that's quite good about CoinMarketCap as well. I like CoinGecko, but I'm liking CoinMarketCap for researching the gaming and putting in these watch lists. So without further ado, 5 projects that I think could explode over the next 6 weeks. The first one is going to be Ultra UOS. $2.25 just now. The market capitalization is 636 million, fully diluted. Valuation is going to be 2.2 billion. I've spoken about before why we can't just look at these numbers. We have to look at the number of players they're going to be bringing in, how many wallets, or how many user wallets, how much they're spending, etc. how much they're grown by. It's going to be growth based on that, not just looking at the market cap, because these numbers are not going to mean anything in the future, because you could have 100 billion market capitalization for something, or a fully diluted market cap, and it doesn't really make much difference. It's based on the number of players, how much they're spending, how much the game is making. So these numbers, still we have to look at them as well at the moment. That's the only statistics we've got. But we look at this, 635 million, you might think that is too high, and the fully diluted is 2.2 billion. I think this could 5x soon. Here's why I think it could 5x. But look at the latest video. It says 9 epic games confirmed on Ultra UOS, sleeping giant of crypto awakens. These are some of the games they've got coming out. Lords of the Fallen, Sundered, Blue Fire, Siberia, The World Before, Agatha Christie, Black Sad, Rainbow Billy, Before Your Eyes, and The Walking Dead. These are AAA games we're talking about. If you look at the gameplay,
nothing could stand it.
Taking me hostage. The world surround me. They hunger for my humanity. Since the death of Mom, the girl in the picture has given me a reason to go on.
What is letter? Murders.
Only you.
You understand what I'm... I want to grow up.
some of these games look amazing, and they're on the Ultra UOS platform. And I think this could really explode this into the stratosphere. It's currently on Coinmarketcap just now. It's currently 122, sorry, ranked 145 on Coinmarketcap. I think this is a top 50 project. Top 50 would put it about 5-6x from here, and I think this is where it's going just now. And I think over the next 6 weeks, we could easily see this at $5. I believe going into Q1 for next year, I think it's going to be absolutely huge, and I think you're talking at least $10, $20 for this, probably more. I'm being very conservative in my figures here, but this is one of the bigger ones we'll be looking at today, and I'm not going to go deep into them. If you do your own research, look into this Ultra UOS, and they've got a lot of projects and they're coming out on the platform. As I said, they've got a lot of updates to do, videos as well. Their socials are really good, the following is really good as well, and they've got a lot of backers behind Ultra UOS as well. So I think Ultra UOS could really go up at least, I'm going to say $5 probably before the end of the year, probably more than that, but for next year it's going to be absolutely massive. 6 weeks time I think could explode. Within 6 weeks I think could explode as well. We're talking maybe 2x, 3x for Ultra UOS. Next one I'm going to be talking about is, I've spoken about this before, Splinter Lands or Splinter Shards. We've got, a lot of you might know it as Splinter Lands as well. We've got a price just now of 42 cents, got a market cap of only 138 million, but a fully diluted market valuation of 1.2 billion for that just now. Volume is good at 2.5 billion, up 29% for the volume. And circulating supply compared with the total supply is 11% at the moment, which the only thing that concerns me, but the main thing that I love about Splinterlands, obviously the gameplay as well, what they've got going on, but the main thing I really like about this is the numbers. And this is what I've been telling you before. We have to look at the numbers, number of players, number of user wallets, how much they're spending, etc. as well. I think the spending could be going up as well, but the number of players, 679,000, it's constantly at the top of DApp radar. Even over kind of 24-hour period, it's second from the top, apart from that ad one, but second from the top. PancakeSwap being at the top all the time as well. And yeah, I think Splinterlands are going to do really, really well. I'm invested heavily into Splinterlands because of the numbers. Don't just look at the market cap, don't just look at the fully diluted valuation. as well. Look at the number of players, how much they're spending, etc. as well. And I think gaming is going to have to come out with those types of statistics as well. Next one we're going to be looking at is Chain Guardians. I love Chain Guardians. I've spoken about it before. And if we look at the price of Chain Guardians, it's on a tear just now. I spoke about this just last week. Said this is going to go up big time. It was at $1.26. It's doubled. So it's went up 100% already. These are kind of supports and resistances I've kind of put in previously. So it's got strong support at about 80 cents. Resistance was at $1.40. We can take that out. Resistance was again $2.30. I said if it can break through that, we'll probably come down to retest it. That's exactly what it did. And it looks as if we're going to go to a closing all-time high of $3.61. So we'll probably be taking out that line very soon as well. $2.74 at the moment. I think this could be big. But remember, with Chain Guardians, it's not just about the game, and they've not got the game out full yet. They're going to be bringing out the game soon as well. But they've also got Chain Boost, which is a launchpad platform. And Chain Boost is, I love Chain Boost, and I've been involved in it from the very beginning and bought a lot of the projects. You see the projects that are going to be coming out. The latest one is going to be Domi Online, and that's going to be coming out in 15 days time. So that looks a good one if we look at Domi Online. So it's another play to earn game that they're investing in, and I think this could be big as well. So that's for Chain Boost. But if you look at the other projects they've had out recently as well, Dragon Kart was a big one. Poker Fantasy was a really big one as well. That was the INO. Blockchain Monster was a big one. Federa, Doze, Engine Starter, Crypto Blades. They bring out and incubate a lot of brilliant projects, which is why I just love Chain Guardian so much. Not just because of the game, but they're actually building an ecosystem and incubating other projects as well. So I just think Chain Guardians is going to go up higher than this, and I think we're going to see an all-time high. We'll have a wicked all-time high of $4.32, but I think we're going to go higher than that. In the next 6 weeks, I'm thinking we're going to see $5, and next year, Q1, you're going to see $10, $20 or something for Chain Guardians. I just love what they're doing, and I like the kind of people that are involved with this as well. Next one we're going to be looking at is Revolve Games. This is one of the kind of lower cap ones I'm looking at just now. Revolve Games, market cap of 12.8 million and a fully diluted valuation of 110 million at the moment. So this is low cap. The volume is good on this compared with the market cap. So we've got about a 10% volume compared with market cap. So that's quite good. It's down at the moment, the volume, 20% down. But I think this could be a big one as well. So this is actually integrating reward staking with gameplay as well. So you can stake your NFTs, get rewarded for that. There's a lot more going on as well. I don't want to dive. I might actually do a separate video on this because I think this is probably one of the smaller ones, and it could possibly 10x very, very quickly if it gets going. And they do the marketing correctly as well. So just have a look at the numbers just now. We've got Revolve Games on $1.18 just now, with a high of $1.91, with a wicked high of $1.91 and a closing high of $1.77. I think it's easily going to reach that again with the gaming, but you can see it's already had a massive spike from 30 cents all the way up, as I said, to $1.90, and we're talking 539%. So people taking profits, quite rightly so, but I think it's come down far enough now and it's starting to go back up. We've got a crossover on the daily as well of the 7 EMA and the 21 EMA, which I like to look at because that's a fast flowing one. So that's just crossed over. So that suggests to me there's probably going to go up to all-time high and probably crash through into price discovery as well. So this is a kind of riskier one, but I think Revolve Games could be up and coming as well. The next one we're going to look at is Mist. Mist was one we got into at the beginning. We liked Mist at the beginning, but kind of a lot of things went on with Mist. Don't need to go into it. A lot of things went on with Mist, but I think this could be coming back, and I think it could come back big. They're going to be bringing out their game soon. It looks really good, and I'm really bullish on Mist as well. Market cap of 12.2 million, fully diluted market cap of 217 million. Don't quite like that. 6% of the total supply. But as I said, this is about the gameplay. This is about the number of players that are going to be playing it, the number of people that are going to be talking about it. It's play to earn as well. I think it could be absolutely huge once it comes out as well. So there's going to be a lot of attention given to this over the next few weeks as well, I think, with Mist. And again, you might see this as a riskier one. I put a lot of money into it. So we'll just have a look at the website very quickly. The visuals on this look fantastic. We've not obviously had kind of gameplay footage or anything with this. But as I said, the visuals do look good on this. We've not had any gameplay footage with the videos, etc. It says video gallery there, but that's for ambient music and just showing you some of the images. But once this comes out, I think this could be really, really big very, very quickly. If the visuals kind of match the kind of gameplay as well, I just think it could be really, really big for this one. So we can see this has had a very kind of topsy-turvy time. It did go to an all-time high of about 45 cents when it first came out. And then it came all the way down to the 1.3 cent level, went back up again to about 30 cents, came back down. And now I think we're going to stabilise from here for Mist. And I think we're going to start to see a slow, gradual move upwards into price discovery mode quite soon. Within 6 weeks, I would imagine it's going to go up 100% up to the 45 cent, 50 cent level, and then kind of start creeping upwards into price discovery, and then it could explode very soon once the game comes out and everybody gets on board with this as well. Again, it's a riskier play than the likes of Ultra UOS, but potentially a much more lucrative play as well if you get into this. And one other thing I want to give you as a bonus for watching this video is a game called Realms of Eternity. Now this is really, I think it's actually using World of Warcraft visuals as well. And a lot of people are thinking, is this legit? But I think it is legit. They've got, it's the same company, Blue Monster Games, that brought out Kart Racing League. So I don't know if you've seen this yet, we've not spoken about it. This is Kart Racing League. It's currently got a market cap of 72 million with a fully diluted market cap of 369 million just now. Good volume at around about the 2 million mark. So I think this is a legit project, obviously. And I think Realms of Eternity is still going on. They've still got a private sale or pre-sale going on just now. This is on the Polygon network. So check out how to do Polygon or how to swap your ETH for Polygon. And Polygon, you're going to get much cheaper. It's got much cheaper and kind of instantaneous projects. So I bought into this. It's only a couple of $1,000s I put into it, and I've got my tokens already. So I think this could be big. If it's going to go 10x, 20x or whatever, this could be big. It's currently priced at 57 cents at the moment. It started at 25 cents. So it's a kind of fair launch for this, and it goes up. The more people that buy it, the price will go up as well. So it's currently at 57 cents at the moment. It might actually be higher than that just now, but there's still a fair way to go. There's still got about 3 million tokens they're looking to sell on this as well. So you might want to get in on this. That's just as a bonus. Realms of Eternity looks good. As I said, World of Warcraft, they've actually borrowed the visuals from World of Warcraft as well, but it's a World of Warcraft game-like project they've got going on. So risky, yes. I put a couple of $1,000s into it just in case, but it does look quite a good one, and they've got the private sale ongoing at the moment. So check that out as well, and that could be really good. Okay, that's it for the gaming projects just now. I'm going to be doing more videos this week on upcoming gaming projects that are going to be coming out soon. So some of them look really, really good. So I'm looking forward to sharing those with you as well. So until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.